Here it goes, and it's going the wrong way! Oh my gosh! Well, I don't think I got that, but that was not good at all. We just took out half the house.
Watch out.
So what he's doing right there is zipping up his jacket, because he's getting more prepared for there being wasps, bees, anything that could sting you. It hurts, but when you're out there, there's no jumping down because you got stung. That just don't work. And he's about to disappear for a minute. So, in case you were wondering, this is very similar to the method of trimming the palm tree with a couple extra steps. So, I don't know how well it's going to show in this video, but what he's doing is tying a rope around the top, because what we're going to do is cut off the top and have it land right there in the driveway. So, it's been about 5 minutes and 30 seconds. And, because this happens to be a better situation, that's about how quick it takes to get started. Right where we wanted it. Beautiful. And the rest is going to be taken down in about 2 to 3 feet sections. So, we've done this stuff right next to houses, pools, other objects that cannot be moved, obviously. And, every time we do this, or any tree trimming, tree removal, we do exercise caution and care. We don't want anybody to get injured, or anything to get damaged, of course. And, luckily Sean here has been doing this for over 10 years, and he has quite a bit of experience. And for those of you who are curious, on this job we are using an Echo CS400. In my experience, it's been a very durable, reliable piece of equipment.